Hey, got a quick video for you guys on my secret way to get aluminum from looking like this to a mirror finish just like this in just a couple minutes using no power tools. I'll be using a Scotch-Brite, WD-40, microfiber towel, and a Mother's magnet aluminum polish along with a couple rags. This will work on all types of aluminum with the existing smooth surface. It won't really work on all the porous stuff, but all smooth surfaces it should yield the same results. So looking forward to sharing this secret with you guys. Hopefully you can get something out of it and try it for yourselves and make aluminum shine again. Alright, so the first step is take your WD-40 and your Scotch-Brite. I like to just put some WD-40 right on it and just kind of get it soaked into the pad. Once you think you have enough on there, just kind of should be almost to the point of dripping. Just go in one direction, back and forth, just like that, for about a minute or two, pressing pretty hard. You can go pretty fast too, and that just really gets the aluminum really smooth. You can add some more WD-40 after a while. Alright, after about a minute, I just take a rag and just wipe off all that WD-40 residue. Get some more WD-40 on there, and just to make sure you get that aluminum real clean. I'm just going to be focusing on this part because that's the only part that is a smooth surface on the part that's going to be seen on this bike. After that, you just get your microfiber towel and your aluminum polish. It doesn't have to be Mother's, that's just what I have and it works great, so highly recommend, but if you have something else, it'll work too. Get some on your towel. Kind of spread it around a little bit so it's all over. And then just back and forth. You get some more polish after a while. After you think you've rubbed enough, you just get the other side of the microfiber towel and you just wipe it in the same direction, just getting all that old polish off. Alright, that's pretty good. There's a pretty good mirror right there. Just after about 3 minutes, I think I'm going to keep on going with the polish. Get a little more right there, but it's basically what it is, so I'll just do that a little bit more and then check back with you guys. Alright, there we have the finished result. 5 minutes, no power tools. The secret is WD-40. WD-40 is pretty crazy stuff, but look at that. Perfect mirror finish. It's a few little scuffs and scratches, but no power tools, 5 minutes. Can't ask for better. So yeah, that's what it does. All my secrets out, WD-40 and Scotch-Brite, so I hope you can make some use of that. Turn your aluminum to a real shiny mirror finish and enjoy that. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff so I can keep on making videos like this and hopefully helping some of you guys out. Yeah, thanks for watching.